Hello viewers, it's TheRevDev back, and we're back with another Roblox scripting tutorial. And today we'll be focusing on while loops. So this is the first loop video, because there is another loop, it's 4 loops, and 3 loops. There's while loops, for loops, and in pairs loops, and as I pairs, but let's ignore that. So today we'll focus about while loops because that's probably the easiest to understand. For loops and like in pairs are more advanced stuff, but I can still cover it in a basic tutorial. So if you heard from last video, if you watched it, please go watch it. If you heard from last video, I said I'll do while loops today because we're doing something with the wall. So first off, how do you make a while loop? Basically, we're just going to make a script, and basically what a while loop is. It'll just loop forever basically, and you also got breaks, so like loop breaks, but let's not do that now. So to do a while loop, we have to do while true do. So while true do. So what it's saying, while it's true, which is just like it's just anything like and then do. So while this, so actually I can put anything. Let's say while 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Do whatever. This will run forever because 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Because while this is true, then do this. But when we say true, it's basically saying while it's just true, like, because true is like you can think of true as yes and false as no. So like while yes, then do this. But if you do while false do, it won't run. Just do while true do. Let's say, and before you do a while loop, you have to do a wait. So you do wait. So let's say 1 second. Then print loop, loop 2 views. And what we're doing, we'll wait every 1 second. This will print loop. So if we look in output, sorry, my PC is a bit overloaded right now. Loop. See, look, do you see it printing? So every second, see how it's saying times 6 times 7 like that? Yeah, that's what it's basically doing every second. Now, if you don't put a wait here, this will crash because what you're doing is running way too fast. So if you want to run it, like if you want it to run really fast, don't just do wait, 0.1. You just do wait, but put nothing in the brackets. If you put nothing in the brackets, this is the shortest time ever, like 0.333 or something like that. Look at that. So we're waiting the shortest time. If you don't do that, it will crash. You can also do the shorter way. You can do this: while wait, or what wait. So let's say 1 do. Yeah, let's just see. Let's add some variables. Let's add a variable quickly. So num1. Print num1 plus num2. And if we click run, well, in every 1 second it will print 15. So it's basically also while loop, but we're waiting as well every second. Obviously, you don't have to do that. You can just do it without, and I'll do the same thing. So it's pretty short. But last video, what we did, we made the part that changed color. But we're gonna make, right? We'll make a disco floor. Yeah, I know. So what I'm gonna do, get the build rig. Just quickly get an R6 character. Actually, R15 I meant. We're gonna make our own disco floor. Yeah, I know. So make a little square, Like say 5, 5, 5. No. 5, 1, 5. There you go. Right. This must be called disco pad. Name disco pad. And what we're gonna make a while loop and make our own disco. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate this, right? Oh, actually add. Let me do something really quick. So I'm just designing it. So we're doing a building here as well. Make this one here black. So actually, should have done on the other side. So give me a sec, guys. I'll rush this. Right, this is our dance floor, right? We're going to duplicate this. Right, so sorry, that took a while. But here is our dance floor. Ignore how bad it looks, but you get the point. You get the point, right? So we're gonna make a while loop, which turns into a disco floor, so you can dance in it. And yeah, it doesn't look that good, actually. If I quickly do this, so that doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not trying to make it perfect. So I'm really sorry it's taking a lot of time. I just want to make it actually look good. So right, this is a disco floor, right? As you can see, it's just a few just little areas and stuff. Let me anchor everything. If I play the game, I'll spawn in again. My if you see by here, it's using a lot of memory. Google. So you see here, oh, it's too far away. God damn it. Oh yeah, I hope you guys like my mask. Gosh, stay safe. COVID-69. Okay, well look, this is my dance pad. As you can see here, it's not really a dance pad. It's not really a dance floor. There's no colours. So we're gonna make it change colour. I'll quickly move it closer. Oh, okay, I'm just testing if it's close enough. If it's close enough to spawn, I think. Okay, I'll add a spawn point. I'll just add a spawn point to make it all easier. So I'll add a spawn point here, and we're gonna get one of the pads, insert a script. And what we're gonna do, first define it as a local disco pad is equal to script.parent. Right. What we're gonna do, put this into a group actually. Group. Call it disco. Right, and I'm going to do while, wait, do. Right, and I'm going to do, so actually it's a bit too fast. Let's do wait 0.5, which is 0.5, but I'll do like that. Then I'm going to do disco pad dot brick color is equal to brick color dot random. Now even if I just go into run, every 0.5 seconds will change colour. You get that? Pretty cool. It's changing colour. It's basically a disco pad. And this is going to take a bit of time, but let's just quickly put that same script. Okay, ignore this script. I'm going to put this script into all these other disco pads. Obviously make it more nice than mine, but I don't want it to be too long. Oh my god, I got the exact number correct. So now if I run it, everything should go that colourful. Look at that! Oh my god! So, I don't know if you guys were back in 2015 and 16 Roblox. I used to, obviously, when I was a silly little bacon hair, sorry, when I was a guest, I'd obviously go to these life in those hangout games. It's like a boys area and a girls area. They'll usually have these little disco areas, and obviously this is how they made them. And look, you can dance and stuff. You actually dance. Look at this nice little disco pad using while loops. So yeah, guys, this is the end of my video. Today I taught you how to use while loops and how you can make a little disco pad. So if you're making a little hangout game, or you're just making you want a disco place in your game, just follow this tutorial with a while. It's not while true, it's while wait, obviously. And look at this, make your own disco pad. Now you can dance, blah blah blah. But yeah, guys, it's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Next video will be about parameters. This is from my last video, so if you want to learn about parameters, please watch my functions video, because you need to understand how functions work, so you know how to use parameters. So yeah, guys, it's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.